Hello friends, I'm Professor Vidyadhar Sagar. Today we are going to start with unit number 2, Introduction to Numerical Control System. In this particular unit we are going to see some important topics as follows. What is a numerical control system? First of all, we are going to be introduced about it. Then why numerical control system? What are the different advantages and disadvantages of numerical control system? What are the basic component of numerical control system? What are the various numerical control machine tools, types of machine tools, and what are the different part programming methods used? So let's start the today's lecture. Numerical control system is a control system is for the production quality industry adopted for automation. Conventionally, general purpose machine tool and skilled manpower responsible for doing many input works. In conventional machines was very flexible, but the flexibility at on the cost of productivity and time. As the complexity of the component increases, the tolerance become closer to the time, productivity and quality. Since the process is operator depends on the mistakes on the part of operator due to the attention and tiredness results in defective components. As we have seen that the operators or the manpower who is working on industry having a tendency or psychology of the tiredness and monotonousness, so the continuous efficiency and the accuracy and repeatability is get affected, and if all these factors get affected, the main important efficiency and productivity of industry get affected. So industries are looking towards the numerical control system as a alternative for the automotive machines. To overcome these problems of production line, several improvement has been made in conventional machines by reducing manual control. Initially, copying machines was developed as the evolutionary stages of the numerical control machines. The copying machine was developed, which involves in reducing manual control in machine efforts to control machine automatically and produce more product in lesser time. But these machines also having time consuming at some point of time, and product design having a less flexibility. The simplest definition of numerical control given by the Electronics Industry of Association, a system in which action are controlled by the direct insertion of numerical data at some point. The system must automatically interpret at least some portion of it. Right? So the numerical control system is controlled with the help of some programming languages or the coded instruction. These coded instruction interpreted by the numerical control system at some portion should be required. Then numerical control basic. It is a form of programmable automation basically, in which the processing equipment is controlled by the mean of the various instructional codes. These codes can be written down in form of numbers, letters and symbols. The number, letter, symbols are coded in formatting according to the product design and design change instruction change. When the machine tool is said to be numerically controlled if it operates in semi or fully automatic cycle as per the coded instruction. It having some main important component as you can see on your screen. The machine tool is a major component, and we are giving to instruction to the machine tool with the help of program instructions. These program instructions get interpreted by the machine in form of binary signals. These binary signals get converted into digital signals, and the digital signals get interpreted by the electrical component which is fitted with the mechanical machine tool is in form of electrical power. And this electrical power which reaches to the electrical component, the electrical components start rotating. As the electrical component starts rotating, the mechanical components of the machine tool get the motion, and which transform the complete process or the machining operation. Then initially the numerical control unit added to the machine tool, which was used to control position of workpiece, motion of cutting tool, but the operator is required to select the cutting tool, speed, feed rate, etc. So obviously in every instance of time the operator should have to be intervened with the machine for the programming and reprogramming or to edit the programming. At the next stage of machine involve the coded form of instruction, form of paper tape or magnetic tape, in which is read by the machine control unit and convert digital signal into the analog signal to transfer instruction to the machine tool. The information read by the machine control unit is being saved in buffer storage, and step-by-step control the machine tool is called as tape control machines. Machine control unit is a major component of the machine numerical control machine. Numerical control machines having three major components: program, instruction, then machine control unit, and the machine tool. The program is in form of coded instruction. Maybe it is in hard medium or in soft medium. So basically, in conventional type of numerical control machines, the hard medium like punch tape and punch card mediums are used to give the program instruction to the machine control unit. The machine control unit interpret the program or instruction in coded form in form of digital signals when it received in the binary form. Then it interpret in form of digital signal. The digital signal passes by the electronics devices towards the electrical component in form of analog signal. These analog signals interpret by the electrical component and starts rotating by the electrical power. When the electrical component starts rotating, the mechanical component in machine tool starts its motion, and due to the motion of the mechanical component like tool holder or the spindle, the machining process gets started. So these are the different components of the numerical control machines, and these components plays very important role in the different evolutionary stages of numerical control machine, as the first machine was developed in name of copying machine, then the lathe machine with the different sensors, then numerical control machine, and CNC machine and DNC machine. So that's all about the today's lecture. Next topic we'll see in next lecture. Thank you very much.